10 Best NAS DiskStation New Model 2021. We are going to check out top 10 best NAS DiskStation in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion. And I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this NAS DiskStation, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 10.
Synology DS3617XS NAS DiskStation, diskless, 12 bay. 16GB DDR4 Ultra, high performance of over 2358 MB per second sequential throughput reading and 406,760 sequential IOPS reading. Intel Xeon D1527 quad-core CPU and 16GB, up to 48GB, DDR4 ECC, SO-DIMM scale up to 36 drives with 2x Synology expansion unit DX1215 PCI 3.0 slot to support optional high-performance network interface card. Advanced file system offering 65,000 system-wide snapshots and 1,024 snapshots per shared folder.
Top 9.
Synology 2-bay NAS DiskStation DS218 Plus, diskless, encrypted sequential throughput performance at over 113 MB per second reading and 112 MB per second writing. Dual-core processor with AS9 encryption engine, 2GB DDR3L memory, expandable up to 6GB. Advanced bars file system offering 65,000 system-wide snapshots and 1,024 snapshots per shared folder. Live transcoding of up to 2 concurrent H265 H264 4K video streaming by default. 2 camera licenses are installed. Extra licenses can be purchased, CLP1, CLP4, or CLP8.
Top 8.
Synology 5-bay NAS DiskStation DS1019 Plus, diskless, 5-bay, 8GB DDR3L quad-core CPU with AS9 encryption engine, delivering reading and writing throughput at over 225 MB per second, even when data are encrypted. Loaded with 24GB DDR3L memory modules, providing 8GB memory capacity in total. Power supply unit adapter, 120 watts AC input power voltage, 100 volts to 240 volts AC. Power frequency 50-60 Hz, single phase built-in 2M tuned ME SSD slots for system cache support. Dual 1B RJ45 ports with failover and link aggregation support. Dual channel H264 H265 4K video transcoding on the fly. Scalable up to 10 drives with 1 expansion unit. DX517 connected connectivity technology, Bluetooth.
Check out the description for more information and latest price.
Top 7.
Synology 6-bay NAS DiskStation DS1621 Plus, diskless, accelerated performance, 174% higher 4K random read IOPS, and 76% faster sequential write speeds compared to its predecessor. Maximize performance, turbocharge HDD arrays by 20x or more without occupying drive bays using dual built-in M2 slots for ME SSD cache. Easy expansion, scale up on demand to 16 drives with 2 DX517 expansion units. Includes everything to protect your data. Backup critical data to and from public clouds, Windows PCs and servers, virtual machines, and data on the NAS with Synology Active Backup Suite, Hyper Backup, and Snapshot Replication ready for 10B. Add in a 10B SFP Plus or RJ45 NIC to instantly increase network bandwidth based on your existing infrastructure.
Top 6.
Synology DiskStation DS418 Play Mini Desktop NAS Server, Intel Celeron J3355 Dual Core, 6GB DDR3L Synology RAM, 4TB SSD, Synology DSM software. Synology DiskStation DS418 Play Mini, a media-focused desktop NAS device designed to be an energy-efficient, eco-friendly all-around storage solution for multimedia enthusiasts, home use and small businesses. Easy to use. Synology DSM operating system has a desktop-like layout and features 4K multimedia server capabilities, desktop and mobile backup, next-generation file system for data protection, digital asset protection via built-in security tools, file access and sharing via Quick Connect. Synology Office Applications ports, RJ45 LAN port, with link aggregation failover support, 2x USB 3.0 port, memory, 6GB DDR3L. Synology RAM, SSD storage, 4TB, 4x1TB, SATA 3 solid-state drives for ultra-fast storage. Synology NAS chassis comes in a sealed box. Hard drives and memory upgrades included separately, not installed. Installation required.
Top 5.
Synology 2-bay NAS DiskStation DS218 Play, Diskless, 2-bay NAS with optimal multimedia solution for home users. 4K video transcoding on the fly with 10-bit H265 codec support. Operating temperature, 5 degrees centigrade to 40 degrees centigrade, 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Storage temperature, minus 20 degrees centigrade to 60 degrees centigrade, minus 5 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, up to 112 MB per second and 112 MB per second sequential reading and writing throughput, respectively. Over 112 MB per second encrypted sequential reading throughput and 112 MB per second encrypted sequential writing throughput, powered by a 64-bit 1.4 GHz quad-core processor with 1 GB DDR4 RAM. DS218 Play does not support Plex.
Top 4.
Synology 12-bay NAS DiskStation DS2419 Plus, Diskless, quad-core, 2.1 GHz CPU with ISNI support. 4GB DDR4 memory, expandable up to 32 GB. Outstanding performance at over 1716 MB per second reading and 671 MB per second writing. Scale up to 336 TB with Synology DX1215. Boost IOPS performance with M2 ME SATA SSD cache through optional M2D18 adapter card. 4 built-in 1B RJ45 ports with failover and link aggregation support. Optional 10B add-on card providing high-speed data rate. Advanced BTRFS file system offering 65,000 system-wide snapshots and 1,024 snapshots per shared folder.
Top 3.
Synology 4-bay NAS DiskStation DS418, diskless, sequential throughput performance at over 226 MB per second reading and 170 MB per second writing. Dual 1B ports with failover and link aggregation support. 4K 10-bit H265 video transcoding on the fly, over 40 TB raw single volume capacity. Operating temperature 5 degrees centigrade to 40 degrees centigrade, 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Storage temperature minus 20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius, minus 5 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit.
Top 2.
Synology 4-bay NAS DiskStation DS920 Plus, diskless, 4-bay, 4GB DDR4 2 built-in M22218 ME SSD slots permit cache acceleration without occupying storage drive. Based Intel quad-core processor with ISNI hardware encryption engine, over 225 MB per second sequential read and write throughput. 0.4 GB DDR4 memory, expandable up to 8 GB. Scalable up to 9 drives with Synology DX517. Average 15% performance boost to photo indexing and other computing-intensive operations, as well as database response time. By default, 2 camera licenses are installed. Extra licenses can be purchased: CLP1, CLP4, or CLP8.
Top 1.
Synology 2-bay NAS DiskStation DS220J, Diskless, 2-bay, 512 MB DDR4, 24/7 file server for your household to store, share and backup personal data. Award-winning DiskStation Manager, DSM, brings intuitive operation flow and reduces learning curve. Access and share data with any Windows, macOS and Linux computers or mobile devices. Integrated media server to support multimedia content streaming. Freely access private cloud files on the go and backup mobile photos with iOS and Android apps.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all of the links in the description. You can check out the link for the latest price. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.